It's a great day at Scranton Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Silverado medium-duty four-wheel drive crew cab in Summit White. Its wheelbase is 235 inches with a 120-inch CA. It's equipped with an air compressor accessory drive, a 4-pack of solenoids, engine block heater, exhaust brake, and the engine is a Duramax 6.6 diesel turbo V8. It has a dual fuel tank totaling of 65 gallons and a power takeoff engine control provisions. This Chevrolet is equipped with the Dejana Duracube service body. It has 6 compartments on each side, totaling of 12. It has automatic locks with dual shelves on each side of its interior. It has interior lighting, grab handle, and this truck is fully equipped, work ready, and located currently at Scranton Chevrolet. Please call 860-889-3333 extension 315 and ask for Bob for more details.